How to create a Quora account. Welcome to the world's most popular platform for sharing knowledge. Whether you want to learn from experts or share your own experiences, it all starts with an account. This guide will walk you through the simple process of creating a Quora account on your iPhone. Once you open the app, you'll see several quick start options. For the fastest setup, you can select Continue with Apple or Continue with Google to sync your existing credentials. If you prefer a traditional setup, tap on Sign Up with email at the bottom. This will allow you to manually enter your name and secure a password of your choosing, giving you full control over your login details. After entering your details, Quora will ask you to pick up at least 5 topics that interest you. This is a crucial step because it determines what questions and answers appear in your daily feed. You're now part of a global community of curious minds. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to navigate the Quora universe.